One of the most exciting innovations in website technology in recent years has been the advent of website personalization. With website personalization, developers are free to craft websites that have specific marketing messages that are delivered to specific users based upon triggers. Triggers could be geographic location, they could be device specific, they could be the recency of the visit specific. The sky's the limit. We're going to go over in this video the website personalization options available from Rocket Driver to all of our partners using our technology. Anyhow, let's get started. As you can see on my screen here, I'm looking at the Rocket Driver partner website. I'm in the personalization section. If you want to check this out, the link is in the description and you can browse there and take a look yourself. It's just under the features section of our site under our technology. Now, website personalization has two distinct but very important components to it. First are triggers, and the next are actions. Triggers are what trigger actions, right? So the action is actually like the event, okay? It's what is actually happening based upon the trigger. For example, we have the actions, add new content. So you might have a website, for example, and it triggers specific things to happen based upon a viewer's geographic location, the recency of their visit, number of times they visited, the device type. Then you have the action itself. It could be the adding of new content. It could be changing a notification bar. It could be a pop-up window, a background image. Really, the sky's the limit. And you can combine different triggers with different actions and have multiple triggers and multiple actions. So really, the creative control is in the hands of the creator. What this gives the end user, the end website owner, the ability to market in a very laser-like way to the specific individuals that they want to market to. You can have a website, and on that site, for example, you could have a trigger for people that are coming back that pops up and says, hey, get a 10% discount, or hey, saw you visited before, we want your business, we're going to give you a coupon or special offer. Or you could trigger people that are geographically within a given location. They may get coupons or discounts to come out to a bar or a restaurant. People further away may get discounts, or they may get an offer shown to them to come on a vacation there, and there may be an offer for staying in a certain hotel that's nearby. There's all different ways that you can use this to do all kinds of exciting things that are very, very relevant in helping businesses to market themselves. Website personalization is one of those things that has really just unlimited utility and value when it comes to going out there and building websites and also selling websites. When you're the person in the sales arena and you're talking about website personalization and having custom crafted marketing messages, and the other guy is just talking about an old classical website that has none of these features, you are sure to get the sale if the client understands. And it's pretty simple to understand. Actions, triggers. Actions are actually like events, right? There's stuff that shows up and marketing messages and so on. And triggers are what trigger those events to happen, trigger those actions to occur. It's extremely straightforward. It's extremely powerful. And it's something that's only going to grow and get better with time.